Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download an embedded PDF from any website. Let's get started. First, open the web page that contains the PDF you want to download. Next, place your cursor on any blank area of the web page, right-click, and select Inspect. A Developer Tools panel will open on the right side of the screen. Here, click on the arrows at the top and select the Network tab from the menu. Now, reload the page by pressing the Ctrl and R keys together. After the page reloads, click on the Fetch/XHR tab. Then, in the filter box, type PDF to search for PDF files. You may now see one or more PDF-related files in the list. Locate the PDF file, right-click on it, and select Open in New tab. The PDF will be downloaded in your PC. And that's it. This is how to download an embedded PDF from a website. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.